Guys, guess what? I'm playing another Bed Wars, and my mouse, I just realized, I thought that it was just like it might help a little bit with my, um, PvP, a little button next to the mouse. I didn't realize that it would do so much because I just realized that I can now hold it, and I can get, 10 CPS like super fast, but I don't know if that's like considered hacking. I hope it isn't. I don't think it would be, because it's just a feature on a mouse, but you know, maybe it is. I'm still lagging, and I can tell because of when I place a block, it doesn't sound right away. So, okay, he has wood. Of course he has wood, and I always just get a pickaxe. Oh, of course he got my bed. I feel like this has happened though before. Somewhere. Is he gonna jump? No! I'm dead. I know it's no like 20 CPS I can just get by holding the button down, but it's still a lot of CPS. So I should have went a little sooner. Yep, my rush is this way. I don't know why I always build up to. I just do, I guess. Well, that should be obvious because if I didn't, why would I be talking about it, you know? Can I make it? I can. Ah! Aw, I was just holding down my thing and it didn't work. Maybe I should just manually click it. I'm gonna protect my bed now. Okay, he fell. I didn't do anything to make him fall. He just fell. That was his own choice. Yeah, that was cool. Wait a minute. Is auto jump on? Yeah, that was also cool. I don't actually think I'm gonna be using that too much. The hotkeying thing. It seems that I'm just don't need it. I'm better at blockading than using that. Yay! Okay, well he's slow bridging, but he might be good. He did know that he should be afraid of me. That's a sign of intelligence. Unless he can just see my star. I wasn't able to, block trap him, sadly. Ah! Nope, I died and gave him 4 diamonds. Aw, I'm sad. Well, time to go for green. I'm just gonna completely forget about gray. Because green's next to me, I think that he's a much more bigger threat than gray is. Gray doesn't even have a smooth bridge to me yet. Actually, I should probably get these. Okay, green doesn't know that I'm about to get over there. Unless he does, then that I don't like that. I hope my bed isn't about to be gone because I haven't gotten a trap. You know, I don't know when I'll lose my bed. Thankfully, green doesn't have a trap either. Sweet. Oh, I forgot to get TNT. Okay, now I have an axe and some more blocks. Chopped gold. Don't need that. Now I need to go. Wait, is this green? Oh, I thought that was green. Did green go mid? He might have. Now you can get sharp. I really hope he didn't go mid. Because then he would have like a, if he built it, he would have a straight path to my base. Is that, no, that's gray. Meaning that green has to be there. Cool. Now I'm the only one with a bed, and I'm happy about that. I'm not happy that everyone will now rush me, but I'm happy that, yeah, I should probably avoid. But I'm not. Because my bed's gone, no matter what I do. So, avoiding would get me over there pretty fast. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, that's my base. I am gonna avoid. Got all my stuff in the chest. Now I will jump. Hopefully they will fight before they come to me. So that only, yay. Ah, the green dude didn't get. I didn't get anything from the green dude. Sweet, fireball. Yeah. What you gonna do about that? But he's never seen this before. I'm like an ultra sweat. Did he just like take a bunch of... Stop! What was that? I can't believe that I actually won with my bed. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I do this just because it'll save me time when I actually rush, you know? So now I just have to wait for 12. It doesn't actually, like, save you that much time, but it just does, like, a little bit. And that little bit might help someday. You know? That is, unless the people just don't protect their bed. Then we both start at the same time. Why? Well, this game is not going to be well. And he's like super speedy bridging. How does he even have that many blocks? I didn't know that you could get that. Is that 64? Might be more. Oh, he's right there. Ah, he can also hit really fast. And he has a bad name, which I don't like. Get back. No. I'm just gonna go up here. Wow. That's just... Why? Why did he just disconnect? Now I don't even get like a final or anything. That's rude. You know, at least I get a bed, but... Come on, dude. You're just gonna take my bed and then quit? Jerk. Well, at least I can get an iron sword. That's cool. Wait, more gold. Oh, I thought there was more gold over there. Just a pumpkin. 7. Get a bunch more of those. And then do that. Place those 2 blocks. Trap myself. Place that. Wonder where I got that 1 piece of Red Bull. Maybe at my base. How should I do this? I don't want to take that much fall damage. Okay. So now I'll be getting... Imagine... Oh, I thought I was going to fail that. I thought I just like block trap myself. I don't want to be here. You know? I don't want to do that to myself. White has 1 layer defense. And they're coming to me. Avoided. Good. Because now I don't have to go for anyone. I can just sit here in mid and not have to be worried. Okay, so green's over there now. I think I'm gonna go for them. Even though, yeah, white seems a lot sweatier. Nope, I don't. I thought for a second I might have prot. No, prot 2, come on. Okay, his bed's gone. Now I have... I need more. I need more, wool. I'll get some ladders. And... pots. You know, pots. Just because. Now, let's see if I can clutch this somehow. Okay, green's in mid. He was probably mad at me. I'm gonna go for white still. Strictly because white seems the biggest target because they still have a bed. I only got 2. And I'm gonna go through aqua. Because for some reason they rushed aqua. So, Okay, good. No one's coming for me. Man, am I just gonna walk in and take the bed? I'm not even gonna use this. Okay. I wonder if he knew that I was there and was about to take the bed. Or if he's crying now. I would not like that. Okay, wow. I hope that wasn't a fireball. Seems like something that one of the last guys would do. Become a fireballer. I don't like it. Just place a block in front of my face. I also don't like that. Well, I see him, so I don't really need a compass, but... Am I gonna fireball? Did I just win? No, I didn't. Okay, good. That might have just given him permission to use his fireballs, though, which I don't like. Get back! No, stop that. Hey, I've been here a lot. Get back! Yay, GG. I like winning. Yeah, now I have something to... I actually won, which is kind of cool. Yeah.